All right, here we are. So this is for the Logo Process 3D tutorial. So I have step 2 over here. And if you didn't read the new directions or updates on there, you don't have to use Cooper Black as it's stated on the instructions if you don't have that font on your library. Feel free to use whatever bold font you want, like a Futura or Impact. So this is step 2. Now after step 2, I'm just going to make a copy of this thing, just holding down Option, just so you can see where I'm at. For this, you're going to need your, or at least what I have right now. You can have your swatches and your color window out. I have my stroke window out. And most importantly, I have my appearance window, because that's where we're going to do all the magic for this tutorial. So I'm going to click on this Long Beach copy, and then I'm going to add a whichever one you want to start with first. So I'm going to add a new fill, and you'll notice there's a fill, and the stroke is not added yet, but you can go over here and add the stroke. So for this, let's do a yellow. Let's do a red one for yellow, red fill, and then we'll do a yellow stroke. Actually, take that back. I made a mistake here. This should be a linear gradient. So I'm going to pick a linear gradient. Pick this one. And then for the stroke, just so we can see it, let's pick a purple one. Boom. Now, here is the issue that you're going to face. So if you are excited and want to see how this text looks like with a larger or bigger stroke, and then you start doing this, what happens is that your first initial increases will look somewhat okay, but then as you increase and that number goes up with the point size, your text starts to look all funky. So to fix that, all you have to do, like say you want this to have a thicker outline, all you have to do is just drag, click, and drag your stroke right below the fill. And then there it is. So every time you increase your stroke, it doesn't go inside of your design because it's underneath. You can think of this as two objects now because it's underneath your fill color or colors or gradient in this case, okay? So that's how you do that. And then when you zoom out, then it looks like that.